What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to receive crypto on the Kraken app in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Kraken app and we'll get signed in. The next thing we'll do is tap the double arrows in the bottom. Next, we'll tap on deposit. Here you can select if you would like to deposit the US dollar or which coin you would like to deposit. For this video, I'll select Bitcoin. You can select the regular Bitcoin network or you can select the Lightning network. The Bitcoin network takes 45 minutes and the minimum deposit is 0.0001 Bitcoin. You can choose the Lightning network, which takes less than a minute and the minimum deposit is 0.00001 Bitcoin. For this video, I'll select the top option. Make sure you read these instructions on whichever option you pick. These instructions are only deposit Bitcoin from the Bitcoin network. Deposits of other assets or from other networks will be lost. The minimum deposit is 0.0001 Bitcoin. Deposits below the minimum will be lost. And the processing time is 45 minutes. Tap on I understand at the bottom once you've read these instructions. Here, you can use the QR code or tap copy address to receive Bitcoin to this account. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you receive crypto on the Kraken app quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.